Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Tony, and today I will be doing a product review. I would like to thank AMZCHEF Appliance for sending me one of their products to review. The product I'm going to be reviewing is a portable hood range. And this one will help with cooking. So let's say when you're cooking, right, in your RV, in your car, in your small apartment, and you don't want to deal with the smog and the smell and the oil, scattered all everywhere. I recommend buying this to use for cooking, especially in your small space. And this is the manual. It will help you out to how to operate it. And this one has the filter for the oil. You can see, and you can take them out too, like this. And then let's see here. And then when you're done with you have like the filter, right? To suck the oil and the dirty air, right? The dirty smog coming. And they give you like at least 10 pieces of this, so you can replace it once it gets really dirty, And let me put it back. It's not hard to put it back, like this. See, when you align it, and you can put it back. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. One more. I'm getting out of hand right here. Sorry, guys. Alright, as you see, it's easy to take out and in, and you can wash it with water once you're done cooking to clean it, and let it dry before you put it back, and make sure you wipe all the oil. And here is also the oil pan too. They have the oil pan here too. So let's say the vacuum sucking the oil, it will go down here, you know. And I can see there's four fan speed, right? So the first one is for light cooking. Then it's up to 4 speed for heavy cooking, like cooking steaks, anything heavy. And also have the light too. I can see. Here's the first speed. And now the second speed, and then the third speed, and then the fourth speed. Also the light too, for if you want to cook at night also. Okay, so we're gonna be testing it right now because I'm gonna be cooking my lunch tonight before I head to work to do some food delivery. Today we will be cooking for lunch. We're gonna be cooking 4 eggs for this right here, and we're gonna be cooking also onion and broccoli too. Onion, hopefully you can see. I'll mix it around a little bit. Hopefully some onion and broccoli. Alrighty, we're gonna turn it on the oven first. Okay, now it's on. So I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit. I'll let it heat up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the. Let's see here, I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on for 1 speed right now. So right now I'm gonna let the pan get a little hot before I put in the eggs. So I'm gonna let it hot a little bit. Alright. I wanna crack an egg right now. See how it works. Also, this is good. Let's say you live in a small apartment and you have like we call it have like a fire alarm, right? This will help not set up the fire alarm because it will suck all the smoke out, you know. So this will help if you have a fire alarm. Oh, okay. Alright, one more to go. One more egg to go. Alright, more eggs. Oh shit. Okay. So it will suck out all the smell and the film too. So, and this is good for like your small RV, your car, your small tiny apartment. So you don't have to deal with the smell and all that. This is good for the people that don't have like a kitchen, you know, and you gotta do your own portable kitchen, you know, and this will suck everything out. And we're gonna put some salt and pepper too. So we're gonna put some pepper, and we're gonna put a little bit of salt for the taste. Right there. And once almost done cooking, I will probably put in the broccoli and the onion. Right now, let's use this here. Oh, okay. See, it's sucking out smoke. But I'm gonna try a little more. Okay, a little bit heavier. No, it's sucking the smoke. See, right there. Okay, I don't want to do a 4 right now. I'm doing the maximum speed. So if there's smoke, it will suck it in. It's pretty easy, you see. So this way, you don't have to deal with getting your alarm go off, your smoke alarm go off, if you live in an apartment, you know. And in the RV, you get rid of all the smell also, and the smog too, you know. So it's pretty convenient. It's good for anybody who lives in their car, like me right now. And so far, it's working pretty good. So far, you know? It's working pretty good. So all the smoke's gonna go in the fan. Make sure you open the windows when you're cooking, okay? For better ventilation. So you won't get carbon monoxide, you know? So right now, it's cooking really good right now. As you can see, it's smoking, it's sucking all the smoke right here. Right now, see that? It's sucking all the smoke right here. Okay. Almost done. Now we're gonna put in the onion. And the broccoli. Right now. Okay. Almost ready. Okay. Okay, everything in there. Now we're gonna cook it. And once it's wet and cooked, this will be done. As you know, I'm not a professional chef, okay? Alright? I'm just a basic cooker, okay? So, I'm no chef, okay? And this is my high protein meal, very healthy. This is one of the best meal out there, okay, for healthy eating, okay, before you go work or after you go work, okay. So it's good for either lunch or dinner. And so far, the smoke, you see that? See that right there? The smoke is sucking in this right here. And all the, debris went in here with the filter too. So anything oily is sucked to the filter and then sucked down to the oil reservoir. Everything else is sucked outside here. So the fan go out from here. So I highly recommend you buying this if you want not to deal with the smog and stuff and the smell, okay? I highly recommend it. And I do have a link on my video. On the description, it has a link too. So if you want to order it, you can. And it's pretty much on sale right now. Okay, I can see that? All the smoke is going in from here, see? Just suck it in. Let's see. So far, so good. I would like to thank AMZCHEF Appliance for sending me this product to review. So far, it's really good to use, so I'm happy. Thank you. So if any company out there want me to review your product, please message me on my email and I will gladly review it. I'm going to turn the light too. Hold on. See that light? So nighttime you want to cook, you can see what you're cooking, instead of not seeing what you're cooking. It's pretty neat though, I like it. And also the back fan, let's say you're not cooking, right? You can use that as an AC fan on a hot day, okay? And this one only uses about between 15 watt and 30 watt maximum, okay? So it doesn't take that much really, And it does have the hookup, so it's a regular hookup for any outlet really, any household outlet, okay? And it only takes like between 15 watt and 30 watt. Doesn't take much at all really. So it's good for cooking and it's good to use as a fan on a hot day, especially if you live in your car with no AC, So hey, I highly recommend it. So far it's working good so far. A lot of smoke right here, see, it's been sucking in. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Really. This dinner is almost ready now. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more because I want my broccoli to be a little bit softer now. But the onion is definitely getting softer now. Here's my meal for today before I go to work. And I would like to thank AMZCHEF for sending me this product, okay? Thank you. And check their website out on my link. They do have other appliances too to sell. So you want to buy any other appliance from them, go check them out. Okay, I guess lunch ready. So I'm gonna turn off my oven. Okay, it's off. So right now, I'm gonna let it run so it can suck all the fume out right now. I'm gonna let it suck out right now. Let it run. Okay, dinner is ready. Here's the final product. You can see right here. See, eggs, onion, and broccoli. Yep, this is gonna be my lunch for today before I go to work. And it probably tastes really good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, you guys. If you guys like my product review and my cooking video, please give this video a like. Comment on what you think of the product I just reviewed. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're not new, and I know you guys watching a lot of my videos haven't subscribed, please subscribe to help out my channel. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Until next time, I will see you all. Thank you.